Ken Cuccinelli is running for governor of Virginia. He is Virginia's attorney general. Now, he had a little bit of an issue here because there was a ruling in 2003 in Lawrence v. Texas where the Supreme Court said you cannot punish people for engaging in sodomy. That's very logical. You don't want to go into people's bedrooms, which they literally did in Texas in that case, and say, okay, I don't like the way you're having sex, you're under arrest. Well, Virginia had a law that said that exact thing, that we can do that, and that sodomy, which is both, by the way, anal and oral, both for straight people and gay people, was illegal among consenting adults. So now this is outrageous and clearly unconstitutional based on Lawrence v. Texas. So in 2004, they tried to change the law, modify the law in Virginia so they could still apply it to sexual predators, people targeting underage kids, which of course we're all in favor of a law like that, but take out the part about adults consenting to behavior that is both none of our business and would be clearly unconstitutional to regulate. The guy who fought against that when he was in the state legislature was, you guessed it, the Cooch, Ken Cuccinelli. And he fought so hard that they refused to change the law. Then as the attorney general, he insisted that they take this case all the way up to the Supreme Court. In fact, back in 2009, he said, my view is that homosexual acts, not homosexuality, but homosexual acts are wrong. Well, thank you for your view. They're intrinsically wrong. And I think in a natural law-based country, it's appropriate to have policies that reflect that. They don't comport with natural law. Well, fascinating that that's your vision of natural law. We appreciate you saying that, but go ahead and take a long walk off a short pier, because I don't give a damn what you think about how I should have sex. So what am I going to do, go into Ken Cuccinelli's bedroom? I shudder. And say, no, oops, unnatural. No, you're not in missionary position. God didn't intend that, and neither did Thor. I need you to get into, okay, all right. Well, what if I think that the natural position is doggy style, which, by the way, an excellent argument could be made for. You're in missionary position, arrest him. You know, it's a felony. It was a felony to either give or receive oral sex, straight couples, married couples in Virginia, a felony. They would put you in jail for that. Cuccinelli argued it should remain that way. Well, the Supreme Court ruled against the Cooch today, saying, sorry, but I think you have trouble reading. Even this very right-wing Supreme Court said, there's clearly a precedent. I thought we settled this. You cannot make that a felony. It's unconstitutional to deprive people of due process under the 14th Amendment. Well, now it gets a tiny bit worse because Cuccinelli has really screwed the Cooch, if you will, because the entire Virginia law is now considered unconstitutional and void. And because of that, 90 people who are sex offenders will be dropped from Virginia's sex offender registry because the law itself has become invalid. They could have kept the good parts, but Cuccinelli, like a rabid right-winger, said, no, I've got to have everything. I'm going to make it all illegal if you're not having the kind of natural sex I'm into. So now they don't have any of the law, and those guys get off the sex offender list. This is sheer insanity in this day and age. And he is the official leader of the Republicans in the state of Virginia running for governor. The Republican Party. Enjoy, or, according to them, don't you dare enjoy. If you do, we'll put you in jail.